Educating children does not occur in isolation, it is embedded within families, communities, governing systems, and global influences. In this video, we draw together essential strands of contemporary educational leadership, forging productive family and community partnerships, communicating and managing crises effectively, exercising leadership across multiple levels, navigating education policy and accountability systems, and learning from comparative and international approaches to supervision. Together, these topics define the contextual competencies modern leaders require to sustain equitable, resilient, and high-quality learning environments. Family and community partnerships are foundational to student success. Effective partnerships are built on mutual respect, clear communication, and a shared commitment to student well-being and achievement. Leaders must cultivate inclusive engagement strategies that recognize families' cultural, linguistic, and socio-economic diversity. This involves creating accessible channels for participation, using multiple modalities of communication, and designing events and structures that empower caregivers as active partners rather than passive recipients of information. Beyond routine engagement, leaders should advocate for community-based resources that address non-academic barriers to learning, health, nutrition, housing, and social services by forming cross-sector collaborations. When families and community institutions are integrated into the educational mission, students benefit from reinforced expectations, expanded supports, and stronger continuity between home and school. Crisis management and communication are essential skills that intersect with family and community partnerships. Crises, ranging from individual student incidents to natural disasters and public health emergencies, test the responsiveness and credibility of school leadership. Proactive crisis planning includes risk assessment, clearly defined roles and protocols, coordinated relationships with local emergency services, and continuity plans for instruction and student support. Equally important is communication. Timely, transparent, and empathetic messaging reduces uncertainty and fosters trust. Leaders should prioritize information that is accurate and actionable, use multiple platforms to reach diverse audiences, and maintain two-way channels that allow stakeholders to ask questions and provide feedback. Post-crisis reflection and revision of policies and procedures help institutions learn and improve resilience. Leadership across levels, school, district, and system, requires both distinct and overlapping competencies. At the school level, leaders focus on cultivating inclusive school cultures, instructional leadership, staff development, and day-to-day operational management. Principals and school leaders shape the immediate learning environment through relationship building, coaching teachers, and stewarding resources for student learning. District leaders operate at the nexus of policy implementation, resource allocation, and system-wide professional development. They translate state and federal requirements into coherent supports for schools and facilitate economies of scale in services and data systems. At the system level, regional, state, or national, leaders set strategic priorities, create governance structures, and engage in long-range planning that affects equity and opportunity at scale. Effective leadership across these levels depends on aligned goals, well-structured communication channels, and shared accountability mechanisms that allow local autonomy while maintaining coherence with broader policy objectives. Education policy, governance, and accountability systems frame what schools are expected to accomplish and how they are judged. Policy determines funding formulas, standards, assessment regimes, special education mandates, and teacher certification processes. Governance arrangements, school boards, state departments of education, and other oversight entities mediate competing stakeholders' interests and set the rules of the system. Accountability systems, meanwhile, use data from assessments, graduation rates, and other indicators to monitor performance and target supports or interventions. The design of these systems has profound implications for equity. Over-reliance on narrow standardized measures can incentivize teaching to the test and obscure holistic indicators of student development. Conversely, thoughtfully constructed accountability frameworks combine multiple measures, emphasize growth and opportunity to learn metrics, and pair evaluation with meaningful supports for improvement. Leaders must be adept at policy analysis, advocacy, and implementation, translating legal and regulatory requirements into school-level practice while using data ethically to inform decisions and ensure continuous improvement. Comparative and international perspectives on leadership and supervision expand leaders' repertoires by exposing them to alternative structures, cultural norms, and policy experiments. Cross-national comparisons reveal that similar challenges, teacher quality, funding equity, and accountability, can be addressed through diverse pathways. For example, some countries emphasize centralized standards and strong national professional development systems, while others prioritize local autonomy and community-driven accountability. Examining how different systems recruit and prepare teachers, structure school choice, or integrate technology can inspire innovation and adaptation. Moreover, international collaboration, through exchange programs, research partnerships, and global networks, provides opportunities to import evidence-based practices and to critically appraise their fit within local contexts. Effective adaptation requires sensitivity to cultural norms, institutional capacity, and resource constraints. What succeeds in one national context may need significant modification elsewhere. In summary, the intersection of community, policy, and global perspectives is vital in education. Leaders must build partnerships, communicate effectively in times of crisis, and coordinate across levels. They need to navigate complex policies with a focus on equity and growth. By being open to global lessons, educational leaders can meet local needs while striving for student success. So, what's your next step? Start building those community connections today. Engage with families and local organizations. Together, let's create educational environments that inspire and uplift every student. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on educational leadership.